WBCS প্রিলিমিনারি ইংরেজির কোয়েশ্চেন 2015 সালে যেগুলো এসেছিল সেগুলি সলভ। Question number 1. Select the correct meaning of the idiom underlined below. The singer was not in voice. Answer B. To sing well. Fill in the blank with the correct word. Dash his illness he attended the function. Answer হবে despite his illness he attended the function. Question number 3. Fill in the blank with the correct word. The stream was dash by the waterfall. Answer হবে the stream was filled by the waterfall. Question number 4. Fill in the blank with the correct word. A dash star was seen in the sky. Answer হবে a shooting star was seen in the sky. Puts one in mind means resolved. Choose the correct meaning of the word from the alternative given below. Gunner, এটা answer হবে a specific category. Put in the correct principle in the blank space. Mary dash we were freed from anxiety. এটা হবে Mary having arrived we were freed from anxiety. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the word underlined below. The crowd felt stupefied by the lecture. Answer হবে entertained. Stupefied এর opposite হবে entertained. 10 number. Choose the word opposite in meaning the word underlined below. The silence of the children was sinister. এটা হবে cacophony. Book may be used with ticket. The suitable auxiliary verb to fill in the blank space. Mother says you dash to go to market at once. Answer হবে will. Mother says you will to go to the market at once. Fill in the space with an infinitive. To find fault is easy. There was a hold up on the midnight train. Do this in a short time in a swift manner. The sun, which rays give life to the earth, was regarded by the ancient as a god. No one dare call in question his honesty. Challenge. Approval may be expressed by the following interjections. Bravo. Insert proper preposition. He hinted at some lost treasure. Fill in the blank with the correct word. You had better ask permission. A person on the verge of death of an illness is terminally ill. An endocrinologist deals with glands. A stoic person can endure. Here is the watch that you ask for. Who that saw her did not pity her.